Hi, I'm Al, the office manager at Steam Plus Cleaning and Restoration, and I'd love to explain our instant quote process to you. We're excited to give you access to the same estimating tool our technicians use in the field to provide quotes. One of the things that sets Steam Plus apart from other local cleaning companies is our customer-focused approach. We've designed our entire process to give you exactly what you need and when you need it, while maintaining clear communication every step of the way. If you'd prefer to speak with us directly rather than using the estimating tool, feel free to call us or text us at 608-333-1415 and we'll guide you through the process over the phone. As you go through the process to get a quote, you'll be asked for details to help us create an accurate proposal. Don't worry if you're unsure of some of the answers. Just do your best. The system will generate a price based on the information you provide, and we can always refine the details later over the phone or at the job site if needed. We hope you find this tool helpful and convenient, and we look forward to providing you with a seamless, top-tier customer experience. What sets us apart? We're certified with the U.S. Institute of Cleaning and Restoration. We have the training, equipment, and expertise to deliver exceptional results. We're fully insured, bonded, and licensed. Your peace of mind is our priority. Our 12-step cleaning process is unmatched. We go above and beyond the standard cleaning services. We have over 250 5-star Google reviews. Our work speaks for itself. We're the only company in Madison that offers 2 different cleaning methods to our clients: very low moisture and steam cleaning, depending on your carpet and upholstery needs. Please ask our technician to perform one or both of our complimentary services, such as black UV light inspection for pet urine or any other organic contamination, or a free cleaning and performance test of the vacuum cleaner in your home. We're confident that once you see our results, you'll never need to search for another cleaning company again. We look forward to serving you.